Using a credit card to build credit is one of the fastest ways to generate a credit score. If you have no credit, you probably think it's nearly impossible to get approved for a credit card, let alone using one to build credit. Now, it is true if you have no credit or limited credit, you likely won't get the best credit cards out there. But don't worry. Breaking into the world of credit cards is easier than you think. It's just a matter of targeting the right cards. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can use a credit card to build good credit, so stay tuned for this valuable information. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video for a huge credit secret. By the way, welcome to Money Matters. Our goal is to give you the best tools, advice, and up-to-date tips and strategies so that you can live your best life. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for up-to-date information. When you apply for a credit card, a lender will look at your credit score and credit report. FICO Score 8 is the most commonly used score. If you truly have no credit, your score won't be 0. It will be non-existent. But don't panic. If you use your new card, you'll generate a FICO credit score within 6 months, as long as your card activities such as balance, payment history is reported to the credit bureaus. Some great starter cards to get you on the road to building good credit are the Discover It, Registered, Secured Credit Card, and Secured MasterCard, Registered from Capital One. Both of these cards require a cash deposit to get started, but the good news is that after using the card responsibly for 6 months to a year, you may be able to upgrade to an unsecured credit card and get your deposit refunded. Remember, we all have to start somewhere. Anyone can take advantage of these types of credit cards to start building or rebuilding credit today. The hard part is over. You've got your first credit card. Here's what you need to do to build a stellar credit history and a solid credit score. Use the credit card. You have to purchase items on credit and pay the card back to develop a payment history, which makes up 35% of your credit score. Track your spending so you stay on budget. Whenever possible, try to pay the balance in full by the due date, and no matter what, make sure your payments are on time and not late. Keep your credit utilization ratio, which is the amount of credit you've used compared with the amount you have available, below 10%. Avoid going crazy trying to rack up points if your card has a rewards program. Stay on top of your spending. Do these steps for 6 months and you'll generate a FICO score. If your issuer offers a free credit score, you can watch the number go up each month. If you made it this far in the video, congratulations! You're one step closer to building great credit. Now I'm going to reveal a major credit secret that a lot of people don't know. Are you ready? All right. Let's say you aren't comfortable getting your own credit card right now. It's all new to you, and you want to learn the ropes first. You can get started by piggybacking on another person's credit. If you have a parent, other relative, or close friend who has great credit, then becoming an authorized user may be an option. This is called piggybacking because as an authorized user, you get to build a credit history without having to qualify for your own card. You are simply added on the credit card and you now adopt that person's credit history. Just make sure if you go this route, the person has a good payment history and a low credit balance. A great benefit of this method is that you don't even need to use the actual credit card. The person can just add you onto the account and you will immediately start reaping the benefits. This technique can go both ways, so be careful. It can help you but also hurt you if the owner or person you use as an authorized user abuses the credit card. That's all for today's video. Comment below with your thoughts and let us know if we missed anything. If you are new here, welcome. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching and don't forget, money matters.